It's time for some fun facts about sharks. I'm going to tell you 3 interesting facts about each of these 5 sharks. Let's do this one. Tiger shark. The tiger shark is one of the largest predatory sharks in the ocean. They can grow up to 14 feet long and weigh over 1,000 pounds. Despite their massive size, they are incredibly fast swimmers and can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. They are known for their voracious appetite and will eat almost anything, including other sharks, sea turtles, and even garbage. They also have a unique ability to sense the electrical fields of prey animals, which helps them to locate their next meal. Number 2, bull shark. The bull shark is one of the most aggressive and dangerous sharks in the ocean. They are known for their short, stocky build and their large, powerful jaws. Bull sharks can grow up to 13 feet long and weigh over 1,000 pounds. They are found in both freshwater and saltwater habitats and are responsible for a number of attacks on humans each year. One of the most remarkable things about the bull shark is its ability to tolerate a wide range of salinities. They can swim from the ocean into freshwater rivers without any ill effects and have even been found in lakes. Number 3, hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark has a distinctive hammer-shaped head that is used for a variety of purposes, including locating prey, detecting predators, and attracting mates. This unusual head shape is actually an adaptation of the shark's neuroskull, which is the bony framework that surrounds the brain. The hammerhead shark is also unique in that it has 2 sets of eyes, one on the top of its head and one on the bottom. This gives it a nearly 360-degree field of view and allows it to see both above and below the surface of the water. Number 4, great white shark. The great white shark is one of the largest and most powerful predators in the ocean. They are known for their torpedo-shaped bodies, which allow them to swim at high speeds, and their rows upon rows of sharp teeth, which they use to slice through flesh with ease. Great white sharks are apex predators, meaning that they are at the top of the food chain and have few natural enemies. They are also capable of growing to enormous sizes, with the largest recorded individual exceeding 20 feet in length. Number 5, whale shark. The whale shark is the largest fish in the world, but despite its massive size, it is a filter feeder that primarily consumes plankton and small fish. Whale sharks can grow up to 40 feet long and weigh over 20,000 pounds. They have a distinctive dark grey upper body and a white underside, which helps to camouflage them while they are swimming at the surface or near the shore. Whale sharks are generally slow-moving creatures, but they are capable of short bursts of speed when necessary. Well, there you have it, 15 amazing facts about sharks. Which shark was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn even more about sharks, be sure to check out my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.